Oh, hey up there lads. I'm just watching one of my favourite content creators from the Stormlot. This guy's videos are definitely the best and the most entertaining. Anyway, I got intel from my Mexican associate, codenamed Simp King. And he said that one of the boys have actually dissed me. Why would someone do that? Right, let's see what this video's all about.
Oh, the glasses.
Okay, Porter, let's start with you. Is that pubes on your head? Oh shit, it's you do. And Celestia Vega, yeah? Remember her? Why'd you tell your girls it all a blur? You've got more trials than I can count on my hand. Makes sense actually why they're also cooking bland. You move from one to another, getting bored so quick. You'll do the same to Karina, just don't be a dick.
Right, that means war, Jozzy. How long did it take you? 15 hours? It's 20 past 1. Right, that's it. This means war. Jozzy made a diss. Dude streams crunker. Are you taking the piss? Man's been begging for this season to happen. Next time I see him, I might just slap him. Say he's 5'8", more like 5'1". After this diss track, mate, you're gonna be done. You called me bland and you called me a liar. What's that? Your house is on fire. I don't care if it's burned. I don't care, my Dom. But Jozzy, please tell me, where's the airline gone? I see you tried to compensate by wearing a hat, but that's not gonna cover up the fact you look like a twat. Remember I-62 when you ditched the crew? Where were you? Chasing clout? You're all for the views. You network with streamers and YouTubers too. I mean, you wouldn't leave Syndicate. You was on him like glue. Why are you in our group? You're not part of the plan. Especially when your only personality trait has been a Taylor Swift fan. Beef. He says he wants beef. I don't think he wants it. He can't handle the grief. You brought Karina into this. Was that supposed to offend? Jozzy, don't you realise at least I can get a girlfriend? You've got one channel. There's no need for two. You're irrelevant, Jozzy. Come on. Back of the queue. Oh, and Jozzy? You're not even funny. How do you expect to be making all this YouTube money? And what about all those awful tunes? So come on, kick him out. He's not one of the goons. Jozzy, this means war. No.